Greetings! My name is Lori Palmquist, and I'm going to take you on a tour of the Smart Sprinkler Scheduler for the Sacramento region. For this screencast, I'm going to give you a fairly quick tour of this app. I'll go into it in much more depth in another video. This is really a quick start video. I'm really excited about this app. It will allow you to create accurate sprinkler schedules based on current weather conditions. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and use the app. This will be very quick. I'm going to use the app and I will think out loud and talk out loud as to what exactly I'm doing. So I'm going to go with the advanced scheduler first. Going to choose Rancho Cordova. I actually don't know the zip code of Rancho Cordova, so I'm going to click Help here. Go to Sacramento County, Rancho Cordova. I will use this zip code 95670. 95670. Okay. Not going to enter any watering restrictions, and I'll go to the zone page. This is cool season turf. Full sun, oh, it's zone number 4, actually. Cool season turf, full sun, moderate wind, moderate slope. I'll call it clay loam, and we'll say fixed spray nozzles. And I have noticed when I run it that it runs off at after 8 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and choose run off after 8 minutes. And then I'm going to click go here, and it could take up to 15 seconds for the program to retrieve the weather data from the CIMIS website. So I'll move up and down while it's working. It's going out. There we go. This is the confirm zone page. And it's just confirming everything that I had chosen previously. And I'm going to check out my weather data for professionals. The ETO data is interesting. Yesterday and on down 7 days prior, today's watering index. I'll go ahead and go out to the irrigation schedule for this zone. I see that it's recommending 8 minutes 2 times 4 days a week. So I would run it 8 minutes 2 times a day for 4 days a week. This number is the most important number, the minutes per week. And I know that this times this always equals this. This is the most important number, and actually these numbers could change if I have start times that if I decide I want to run it more times than 2, or if it's recommending 7 start times and I only have 3 on my controller, these could actually change. I'll click here and see my historical schedule based on historical weather. Alright, so go back to zone setup, and I'll go back all the way to the beginning and use the basic scheduler now. Basic, I'll go with Rancho Cordova again. Zip code 95670. Going to the setup zone page, because this is the basic version, I only have 3 things to choose. I'm going to go with mixed plants, part sun, and this time I'll go with the rotary nozzles and click go. Here's the confirm zone page, and notice that it says these are default settings here, these guys in here. And if I'm using the basic version and my site differs significantly, I would probably want to go to the advanced scheduler because that would give much more accurate results. I'll go ahead and go to the schedule. Now I see that it says no runoff entered, and of course it does, because that was a default setting. It's just calling my attention to the fact that if I run it for less than 27 minutes and it runs off, I'm going to want to change this to more cycles per day. And in fact, here's a note. To avoid runoff, you may need to provide more start times. So I have that. That's my current schedule, and here is my historical schedule. Okay, well that includes the quick start tutorial, and I would love to see you creating wonderful, accurate sprinkler schedulers with this app. Thank you very much.